Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make green pudding. If you are enjoying the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. All links and ingredients needed for the recipe are of course in the description below. Firstly, we have to put in a blender half of a banana. Next is an apple. We also need a half of it. Cut it into smaller pieces. We peel an orange and add a quarter of it. Next are soaked dates. They should soak for at least 2-3 hours. Just be aware of pits inside. We add some chlorella to give our pudding a green color. And some kale. We mix everything together until smooth. If the mass is too thick, you can add some water. Now we put some chia seeds in a bowl. We add the mass we made and put the bowl in the fridge. Remember to mix it with spoon from time to time. And it's ready! Now you just have to decorate it and it can be eaten by spoon or just drink. Bon appetit!